अभी टाइम हो चुका है ना, टाइम एक्सीड हो गया। अच्छा हार्दिक, ओह माय गॉड, तुम्हें यही प्रॉब्लम है, तुम्हारी सर्दी जुकाम है इसलिए, कोई बात नहीं, मान लिया मैंने। ठीक है, अब मैं आपको जो कंप्लीट करना है अपना थोड़ा टॉपिक बाकी है वो बता दूंगी। ठीक है, एक मिनट है। Okay, so let us start. There are very two small topics are left from the coordination compound. So let me complete that. First topic, this also we have one topic we have completed yesterday. Still also I want to explain it myself. Okay, so that's why I'll do it again today. Bonding in metal carbonyl. The topic is bonding in metal carbonyl. Bonding in metal carbonyl. See, carbonyls are those compounds in which, complex in which carbon monoxide function as the ligand. They are known under the name carbonyls. Okay, so these compounds are generally coming under the category homoleptic complex. Homoleptic complex. Homoleptic complex, they are coming generally under the category homoleptic complex. Okay, what do you mean by homoleptic complex? Homo means the same. Homoleptic complex means complex in which the ligands are same, metal bonded with the same type of ligand. They are known under the name homoleptic complex. For example, NiCO4 times. This is the this is the compound generally called nickel carbonyl, or it is known under the name tetracarbonyl nickel 0. Its oxidation state is 0. You know that is carbon monoxide is a neutral ligand and its charge is 0. So the oxidation state of nickel is 0 and its shape is tetrahedral. Second example, FeCO5 times. It is iron carbonyl in which carbon monoxide is the only ligand, so it belongs to the category homoleptic complex and its shape is trigonal bipyramidal. You know that 5 ligands are there, so 5 bonds it has to make. Then one more example is there, so it is chromium carbonyl. Chromium carbonyl. So it is of octahedral shape because number of ligands are 6. These are some examples. Now let us think about bonding in metal carbonyl. This has explained in one theory known under the name molecular orbital theory. So in molecular orbital theory, bonding in carbonyl is well explained. Now, according to the theory, metal carbon bonding, metal carbonyl possess both sigma and pi character. Metal carbon bond. We are talking of this bond. This, according to the theory, MC bond, metal carbon bond. This bond contains both sigma and pi. It contains both sigma and pi. This is not normal sigma and pi bonding. Okay, this is not normal sigma because in normal sigma bond we have seen that it is the overlapping of end-to-end overlapping of ऑर्बिटल विथ अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन, मतलब हर ऑर्बिटल में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन होना चाहिए. These orbitals undergo overlapping, resulting the formation of sigma bond. Similarly, pi bond is formed by the lateral overlapping of orbital with one electron. So this is the normal sigma and pi. But in this case, The type of sigma and pi bond formed between metal and carbon are little different. So we need to think about that. First of all, let us think about sigma bond. How a sigma bond is formed between metal and the carbon. So the sigma bond is formed by the donation of lone pair of electron on the carbon atom to vacant orbital of the metal atom or metal ion. Okay, understood? So lone pair of electron in carbon. So carbon in carbon monoxide, both the carbon and oxygen has lone pair of electron in particular resonance structure, where in between carbon and oxygen there is a triple bond, and carbon with a lone pair of electron and oxygen with a lone pair of electron. So in this case, lone pair of electron in carbon donate to empty orbital of metal. Okay, lone pair of electron in carbon donate to empty orbital of metal. This is the way sigma bond is formed between carbon and metal. Okay, understood? This is the way sigma bond is formed. Now, how pi bond is formed? Pi bond is formed by the donation of pair of electron from the filled d orbital of metal to the vacant or anti-bonding orbital of carbon monoxide. Okay, how is it formed? We know that other than hybrid orbital, there are orbitals in metal atom with filled electrons. Filled electron means we have seen in valence bond theory, we have seen that after hybridization, there are electrons in d subshell which are completely filled. They are not related to hybridized orbital. They are different. Suppose hybridization D2sp3, only 2 d orbitals are involved. That means vacant d orbitals are involved. And the rest of the electrons are there in the d orbital only. They are filled. Some cases they are filled, some cases they are not completely filled. They are half filled. Okay. So in the second type of bond, pi bond, how the bond is formed? Lone pair of electrons, or we can say that shared, that means paired electron in d orbital donated to the anti-bonding orbital of carbon monoxide. Okay, so second type of bond, how is it formed? How is it formed? It is formed between filled d orbital of metal with anti-bonding molecular orbital of carbon monoxide. So this is the way pi bond is formed between metal and the carbon monoxide. Okay, in this case, because of this particular bonding, ligand bonding, this particular bond strengthens the bond between carbon monoxide and metal. Because of this specific phenomenon, this particular effect has a different name. It is called synergic effect. Synergic effect means the sigma bond is strengthened by a pi bond which is formed between metal and carbon monoxide in metal carbonyl. This effect is known under the name synergic effect, and in this case sigma bond and pi bond formed in a different way. So I will repeat how a sigma bond is formed. A sigma bond is formed by the overlapping of filled orbital, that means lone pair of electron on carbon atom donated to empty orbital of metal, forming a sigma bond. And how a pi bond is formed? Donation of paired electron from the d orbital of metal to antibonding molecular orbital of carbon monoxide. So these two bonds make the bond between carbon and, or we can say ligand and metal strong. This effect is known under the name synergic effect. So this is the first topic, and the last topic is stability of coordination compounds in solution. Stability of coordination compounds. So I will take one example where metal reacts with 4 ligands to form a complex. So I will write it in schematic way. M plus 4L gives. So in this case, I'm always using, or we have to use always using a double-headed arrow like this. Like this, or you can like this also. So the complex is Ml4. M stands for metal, L stands for ligand, Ml4 stands for the complex. So in this case, this particular complex is not formed in a single step. According to the theory, it is formed in different states. How is it formed? Let us think about that. First step is M plus 1L. Single ligand forms Ml like this. Second case, Ml reacts with this one more L, forming Ml. And third case, and it is so. If it is N ligand, there will be N steps are there in this. So each and every step related to an equilibrium constant. Suppose here we can say K1. K1 is equal to, you know how to write equilibrium constant? Is equal to molar concentration of Ml divided by molar concentration of M into molar concentration of L. Similarly, this is associated with an equilibrium constant K2 is equal to Ml2 divided by Ml into L. In this way, number of equilibrium constants will be obtained. So these K1, K2, these all are known under the name stepwise stability constants. Stepwise stability constant K1, K2, K3, according to the steps, it will be different. So overall stability of the complex is determined by summing up all these steps. So it is known under another name beta. Beta N. Beta means a stability constant. Overall stability constant. N means number of steps involved, which is equal to K1 into K2 into etc. Kn. So Bn, this is known under beta N is known under the name stability constant. So the stability of the coordination compound is measured in terms of stepwise stability constant K1, K2, K3, etc. Okay, so this is all about the chapter coordination compounds. Okay, so this is all about the chapter. Now, so I'll start asking Viva to those students who are willing. In fact, I had to arrange the whole group in this way, in a sequence, proper sequence. But if you people are not willing, so forcefully, I am not interested. You also know that. So those who are willing, so I will ask the question to those students. Okay. First of all, I will ask the questions to one group. Okay, Poonam Panjekar is also ready from her group. Poonam Panjekar. Okay. According to the willingness, 3 students from different groups, 4 students from different groups are willing to take the Viva today only, and two group, all the participants are ready for the Viva. Okay, so first of all, I will start with those groups. The participants are ready to take the Viva. So I will tell you the condition. This time it is very simple way. For every student, I will ask only 2 questions. Okay, 2 questions, and the first, what all you say at the beginning, at the first, it will be the answer. Okay, so you are not supposed to waste the time. 2 questions, and maximum time is of 2 minutes. Okay, so maximum time. So 2 questions only are there. So take care of this. And one condition is you should be there in your video. एंड वीडियो में अगर मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है तुम लोग IQA कॉन्टेक्ट नहीं हो रहे, तुम्हारी वाइवा में कैंसिल कर देती हूँ। अगर तुम्हारी वीडियो नहीं दिख रहे तुम्हारा वाइवा कैंसिल है। आज का कोई बच्चे इस तरह से कोई काम नहीं करेगा, मुझे मालूम है, बिकॉज दे आर विलिंग, क्योंकि अगले क्लास के बच्चों के लिए बता रही हूँ। अगर ये दोनों कंडीशन फुलफिल नहीं है, मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रही हूँ, आई विल नॉट से एनीथिंग, मैं डायरेक्ट उसको कैंसिल कर दूंगी, ठीक है। सो आई विल नॉट कंटेक्ट फर्दर, ठीक है, बिकॉज दिस इज फ्रॉम द एक्सपीरियंस विच आई हैड फ्रॉम द ओरल टेस्ट, ओके। सो ट्राई टू बी कोऑपरेट विथ मी, ओके, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू विल कोऑपरेट। तो सबसे पहले मैं क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ, ये जो तीन गर्ल्स है, आस्था, नंदिनी, प्रांजल, उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रही होंगी पहले, ठीक है। आस्था पहले आगे, वेरी गुड आस्था, तुमसे स्टार्टिंग कर रहे हो, ठीक है, वेरी गुड, आई फील सो हैप्पी।
मैम मैंने ऐसे ही खोल दिया पहले कैमरा।
अरे कोई बात नहीं आस्था, आप सुनो, तुम लोग तीनों वीडियो पे मत आना, एक एक करके पूछूंगी, ठीक है। तुम इतनी भी तुम्हारे प्रॉब्लम नहीं, पहले आस्था से पूछूंगी, फिर नंदिनी, फिर प्रांजल, ठीक है। आस्था तुम इतनी नर्वस नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि नॉर्मल जो क्वेश्चन है ना ऐसे ही मैं पूछती हूँ, इतने डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं है, क्योंकि ये जो नॉर्मल है, मैंने आपको पता है, मैंने जो बायोलॉजी बच्चों को स्पेशली जो बायोलॉजी रिलेटेड टॉपिक ही दिया था, याद है, ठीक है। सो दैट विल बी इजी फॉर यू, ठीक है। सो इसलिए इतने नर्वस मत हो जाओ, 2 क्वेश्चंस ओनली आई एम आस्किंग टू यू, वही क्वेश्चन के आंसर बोल दो, उसके बाद तुम्हारा वो खत्म हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन मैं पूछूंगी आपसे, which are the products obtained during fermentation? Mainly 2 products are obtained during fermentation, 2 products, last जो product है, which are the products?
Ma'am, one is ethanol and then carbon dioxide.
Ethanol and carbon dioxide, very good Asta. और second question पूछती हूँ, name the enzyme which is present in yeast. Which are the enzymes which is present in yeast? Yeast means which is supporting fermentation process. Yeast contain 2 enzymes.
Ma'am, invertase and
zymase. Very good Asta, keep it up. हो गया तुम्हारा वाइवा, very good.
Thank you ma'am, thank you ma'am.
Keep it up. नंदिनी, अभी तुम्हारा बारी है, आ जाओ। हाँ ठीक है, रेडी हो? पूछती हूँ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम द कलर गिवन बाय स्टार्च विथ आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन। Name the color, which color we will get when we add iodine to starch? Color, what is the color obtained? Color क्या मिलेगा?
Ma'am, red.
Question ध्यान से सुनो, name the color given by starch. These
Ma'am, blue.
Blue, very good, okay. Next question, what are the factors which influence fermentation? Fermentation, mainly 3 factors are influencing in fermentation process. Which are the factors? Any 2 factors you can see which influence fermentation process. Any factors? Say any factors.
Ma'am, enzyme.
Enzyme is already present in the yeast. My question is factor. Which are the factors, conditions which affect fermentation? Any factors are many factors are there. You can say any common factors. Think. एक क्वेश्चन और पूछूंगी तुमसे, आ नहीं रहे तुम्हारा आंसर। Name the enzyme that converts starch into sucrose. Starch into sucrose. Diastase. ठीक है, ठीक। फर्स्ट चांस में नहीं बोला है, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन ठीक है, अच्छा गया, वेरी गुड। प्रांजल, ठीक है, ओके, आगे, हाँ ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछूंगी, fermentation. What do you mean by fermentation? What is fermentation?
Ma'am, fermentation is a complex compound which simple decompose of complex organic compound into the simple organic compound.
Very good, very good, very good. Keep it up. So next question is What is Fleming solution A and B? Or when we add Fleming solution to glucose, what is the color change? When we add a Fleming solution to glucose, what will be the color change?
Ma'am, red PPT is.
Very good, Pranjal. Keep it up. हो गया तुम्हारी क्वेश्चन.
Thank you.
ओके, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट ग्रुप का मैं पूछ लेती हूँ. ग्रुप के बच्चे हैं हर्षित, आयुष, मोहम्मद. सबसे पहले मैं हर्षित आपसे पूछूंगी, आप रेडी हो? हर्षित कहाँ हो? हर्षित, हर्षित दिख नहीं रहे. हर्षित है क्लास में?
नहीं है मैम.
है?
नहीं है मैम.
लीव हो गया होगा उस. आयुष तुम हो क्लास में? है, आयुष दिख रहे, पीछे मुड़ के खड़े हैं. हाँ. मोहम्मद तुम भी रेडी हो? रेडी हो ना?
मैं कल दे दूंगा, मैं अभी मैम बाइक पे हूँ.
आज चलो छोड़ो. आयुष तुम रेडी हो ना? तुमसे पूछ लेती हूँ पहले क्वेश्चन, ठीक है? क्योंकि अभी कंप्लीट कर दिया है ना, तो कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है. तुम्हारे टॉपिक पता है ना? स्टडी द इफेक्ट ऑफ KHSO3 पोटासियम बाइसल्फेट, यही है ना टॉपिक?
यस मैम.
हाँ, डिफरेंट. ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय फूड प्रिजर्वेटिव्स? व्हाट इज फूड प्रिजर्वेटिव?
मैम, फूड प्रिजर्वेटिव्स आर those substances which मैम एक सेकंड, मैं वो नोटिफिकेशन बंद कर दूं.
हाँ, तुम्हारा वीडियो भी चला गया. हाँ ठीक है, बोलो. म्यूट अनम्यूट करो. आयुष अनम्यूट.
मैम, फूड प्रिजर्वेटिव्स आर those substances which preserve food from getting spoiled.
Okay, and second question is can you give some example of food preservatives?
Yes ma'am. KHSO3.
Other than potassium bisulfate.
Potassium. Benzoic acid, sodium benzoate.
Sodium benzoate. Very good Ayush, keep it up. हो गया तुम्हारा 2 क्वेश्चन, ठीक है?
थैंक यू मैम.
अब वो हर्षित नहीं है और मोहम्मद अभी कंफर्टेबल नहीं है, तो अब उसको नहीं पूछ रही हूँ. अभी मैं क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ. नेक्स्ट बच्चे पूनम पनेकर रेडी है, तो उससे पूछूंगी पहले क्वेश्चन. पूनम आप रेडी हो ना? आयुष तुम्हारे वीडियो ऑफ कर सकते हो बेटा.
Yes ma'am.
पूनम रेडी हो?
Yes ma'am.
And your topic is to analyze the fruits and vegetable juice for the components present in. यही था ना तुम्हारे टॉपिक?
Yes ma'am.
ओके, तो क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ, ध्यान से सुन लेना.
Yes ma'am.
First question is, which are the minerals required for the formation of bone and teeth? Bone and teeth. 2 elements are required for the healthiness of these 2. Means for health, for the better bone and teeth. Which are the 2 elements?
Phosphorus
Very good. Phosphorus
and calcium.
Very good. What is the deficiency disease of iodine? Deficiency disease of iodine.
Ma'am, goiter.
Goiter. Very good. बस 2 ही क्वेश्चन है. वेरी गुड पूनम, तुम्हारा वाइवा ओवर हो गया. वेरी गुड.
Yes ma'am.
अभी मंजुल आप वीडियो में आ जाओ बेटा. मंजुल कहाँ हो? दिख नहीं रहे. चलो, मंजुल अभी नहीं दिख रहे, तो मंजुल को छोड़ती हूँ मैं अभी. नेक्स्ट सूर्यांश रेडी है? सूर्यांश.
Yes ma'am.
Very good. Okay, so your topic is to study the effect of potassium bisulfate as food preservatives under various concentration. यही था ना?
Constant. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Okay, तो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछ लेती हूँ मैं. What are the 2 different types of food preservatives? Food preservatives belong to 2 general categories. Which are they?
Ma'am, benzoic acid and
Benzoic
sulfur
acid.
dioxide.
These are examples, but generally they belong to two categories. Which are they?
Sodium benzoate and potassium bisulfate.
So that is, these are some examples. My question is, generally preservatives are classified under two categories. Which are they?
Ma'am, one which are soluble in water and other which are used for colorless material.
Or we can say that two types are there. One is natural and the other one is synthetic. Okay. So you have said the examples of synthetic. Can you give two examples of food preservatives which are natural? Natural food preservatives that we are using in our home. What?
Turmeric, salt,
Salt, or
turmeric.
okay, turmeric. Okay, very good. Next question is otherwise, on the basis of principles of food preservation, there are two methods are there: bactericidal and bacteriostatic. These are the two methods of food preservation. This is related to your topic. What do you mean by bactericidal? Cidal method. Bactericidal. Bactericidal. नहीं पता? अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. ओके, ठीक है सुरांश, ओके तुम्हारी मेरी बात. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैं शशांक से पूछती हूँ. शशांक, रेडी हो?
यस मैम.
शशांक, वीडियो पे आ सकते हो? आ जाओ. अच्छा, ठीक है. तुम्हारा सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन है, what do you understand by adulteration of food material? What do you understand? Adulteration means what?
Adulteration means addition of unwanted substance in food items which can harm the consumer's health.
Okay.
Producer do this for their profit.
Okay, correct. Why do people do adulteration? Why do people are doing adulteration?
To increase the quantity of food.
Or
to gain profit.
Good, to gain profit. That's why they are adding adulterants. Very good, Shashank. हो गया तुम्हारा? Very good. We were very good, Vaiva. Okay. These are the students, those who are willing. और कोई जो बच्चे हैं जो willing है अभी?
मैम टीशा.
अच्छा, okay, Tisha, I forgot. Very sorry, beta. Tisha. Tisha, so your topic is determination of percentage of oxalate in guava fruit. यही था ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. तो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन है, what is the okay, सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन, which vitamin is present in guava fruit? Which vitamin?
Vitamin C.
Very good. Okay. So how does concentration of oxalate ion vary with ripening? Which is the best source? Raw guava fruit or ripened?
Ma'am, ripened one is the most good one.
Most good for you, but my question is, suppose ripening is completed, so totally completed, the whole cover become yellow, then is it beneficial, or the one fruit which started ripening?
Ma'am, the ripened one is more beneficial because the quantity of vitamin C that is which is converted to oxalate ion is more in the ripening one. That's why it is more beneficial.
What do you think if quantity of oxalate in our body increases, is it affect any system of our body? Oxalate.
Ma'am, maybe breathing.
So blood. It forms spore formation will be there. Okay, that's right. ठीक है. चलो ओके, तुम्हारे वैसे भी आंसर दोनों सही था, वेरी गुड टीशा, कीप
Thank
इट
you,
अप।
ma'am.
हाँ, अंजलि ऑल्सो रेडी फॉर द वाइवा। अंजलि अभी मैंने
मेरा भी
और
होगा
कोई
मैम।
बच्चे तैयार है? गोविंद बोला था, ठीक है।
यस मैम।
मैंने एक बार में चैट बॉक्स
मैम
में
मेरा
कोई बच्चे मिसिंग हो गया, मैंने मेरे से मिसिंग हो गया। अंजलि रेडी है, गोविंद रेडी है।
मैम मेरा भी तो
अच्छा, श्रेयस रेडी है, माय गॉड, मैंने
मैम
देखा। वेरी गुड।
मैम मेरा
फणेंद्र
फनेंद्र
छूट गया, फणेंद्र पूछूंगी, वेरी गुड। एक मिनट फणेंद्र, एक मिनट। हाँ, सबसे पहले तुमने बिल्डिंग यूज किया था। ओके, पहले मैं फणेंद्र से पूछती हूँ क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ठीक है। फणेंद्र, व्हाट इज द डिस्पर्स्ड फेस एंड डिस्पर्शन मीडियम इन मिल्क? मिल्की से तुम वीडियो पे आ जाओ।
यस मैम
हाँ, मिल्की से colloid, you know what is the dispersed phase and dispersion medium in milk?
मैम dispersion phase is
बोलो।
is the
हाँ,
मैम dispersion phase is the calcium calcinate which no casein
कैसीन? कैसीन तो आते नहीं उधर। कैसीन, you know what is कैसीन?
MR
Dispersion medium and कैसीन is a very
Ma'am, I
small
don't know.
unit which is
मैम
present.
मैं बता दूं, मैम सेम ग्रुप का।
नहीं, आमिर अभी नहीं बात कर लेगा, ठीक है, फणेंद्र बात कर लेगा सर। फणेंद्र, दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछूं? Which is the sugar present in milk? Which sugar is present?
yes ma'am
Name. Lactose.
lactose
Okay. Next
lactose
question is, which is the metal part which is present in milk? Metal. एक metal part present है, mainly. हाँ.
ca-
One is
potassium
present in
magnesium
maximum quantity. Which is that? Very good. हो गया तुम्हारे भाईवा? Completed. Very good. चलो, दोनों क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो गया। अब बाकी बच्चों के लिए बड़े सॉरी बोलती हूँ मैं, क्योंकि टाइम इज ओवर, ठीक है। तो अगले क्लास में सबके लिए वाइवा रेडी है। कल मैं सबके वाइवा खत्म करूंगी, कल सभी लोग प्रिपेयर करके आ जाना, ठीक है। सिर्फ वाइवा नहीं है,